Hello, everyone. Now I'm going to talk about Pinchuri are my three brothers and my mother. The one that appears on the side of the photo is cow. Her face is the thicker and shortest in the family. He has green and jet like my sister Damaris. My mother name is Alicia Ballena. She is 52 years old and as you can see she is quite clear. Her hair is curly like that my nieces as well. She's beautiful. The one whom my mother is called Diego is my younger brother and is the teenage of all height, a bronze and beautiful. My other brother is called Heiner. He is taller than all my brother and the teenage has dark brown eyes like mine is. Thank you.